Hello, my name is Miss Jones. As you all probably know, I've heard a few gossips about me on the hallways of MSB. I think it's really crucial as a teacher to make sure you have a nice friendship built between student and teacher, and I really think I'm doing that at MSB. 63 pieces of paper was wasted on your homework which you didn't even do! Is this what they teach you in New Zealand? Oh, I'm sorry. Did you just laugh? I didn't think the ecosystem dying was funny. Harriet Burke, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Everyone stand up. All the students love me. I really think I'm connecting as well with the other teachers. I love making new friends. It's my element. I'm in my element here, making new friends. I have a beautiful Year 7 class. They're all harmonious, one with the earth, and it's so beautiful. They're so quiet and peaceful. In complete contrast to those Year 12s, they have my ears ringing. Excuse me, this is not the collaborative space. You all need to be quiet, do your work peacefully, or remove yourself from the room. So loud. As much as I've been quite a pleasant surprise to MSB, there's also been quite a few surprises for myself. Am I at a Catholic school? Oh, it's a big bird. Miss Well-Led-In. Who is Miss Led-Belling? Because I'm really hip and happening with the young girls, I've been practicing a few of my moves, my young moves.
Now watch me whip, now watch me nay-nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, watch me nay-nay.
I'm all about making things look perfect, so if I see an imperfection in regards to any of the uniform requirements, I will fix it straight away. This is not how we wear the uniform. Button up, middle button done up, collar in, hair back, socks rolled,